I parked around the street because I got nervous because there's like 3 or 4 tow trucks all of a sudden.
Yeah, I know.
Yeah, so, hey, they just want to say, hey, we can do that. It's just, I don't know. The thing is, the first location got shut down. So I was eating at the revolving sushi place there because I always get to everything early. And like an hour before, the 2 cops were posted outside when we came out the restaurant. So I knew it was cooked. They're sitting right at the entrance just watching like who goes in and out. So we did post the second address. And I think what it is because like fucking 3,000 people reposted the video I posted.
Sick flex.
Yeah, because I always, when a flyer's not doing good, I post a reel about it. And that helps bring out people, but this one like blew out of proportion for no fucking reason. Usually it's like, you know, under 10K and that's like fine. But someone who's being watched for takeovers must have posted it.
Ew, he blocked it off? That's gross. What a... Bro, yeah. Nah, I mean, it's right there at the corner. The sign's right there. Much better. Shut your bitch ass up, Ace. Just kidding. Miss you.
What's up, Chad?
I had to fix it because that drum was landscape. No, I just posted it right now.
I just got thousands of backers watching. It's either we'll go to Marina or like downtown.
Damn, I could have just... Nah. I was just kidding, baby. It's okay. Don't cry. But yeah, we're here right now. We're like literally scouting everything. It's so cold. Can y'all see my breath? Oh yeah, look at him. He's being a Weenie Hut Jr. Bro. Breathe in my mouth.
I asked someone else. I said the cops should say behavior. Nothing to do.
That if somebody does a 2-second burnout, he's shutting it down.
Fuck, easy with it.
Okay.
Everybody behaving is cool.
We're chilling.
Okay, bet. Nah, no, whoa.
He did pop the hood.
Not on West Side car meets like that. He wanted to show off his car too? Okay, he ended up popping the hood. So... You were showing her your streams? What did you show her? Whose streams did you show her? Is it that cold that your breath shows that much? Oh. No, bruh.
Undercover asshole. See, I told you the one.
Dude, I was just like... I don't know what he's gonna say. And it's Caesar. Under Caesar. Oh, that's why. Homie's tripping.
They probably paying him good. But
With
like
his
every
lights
car,
on?
$100.
Bro, did you see I was all black?
That's all blacked out.
That's an undercover as hell.
Not undercover because this is a California exam.
He's wearing a shiesty behind the...
He's posted this shit, bro.
Tell the cop to slice his dick? Nah, facts. Twin can really lick on the U-turn shaboing boing.
Oh, Chris B. Right, Chris B's gonna fucking expose my house.
Oh.
Put your booty back on, bro. Bro, you gotta be incognito.
I showed about the shiesty.
A bunch of YNs. And shiesties. Arrest that cop now for speeding? Oh God, citizen's arrest? Bro, it is so cold.
This is retarded packed. Holy fuck.
Pack like my 3.5 in the paper. Oh yeah, he's got Christmas lights, bro. Oh, Who's the weenie?
Total of 3 units, like 2 normal, 1 extra.
Dude, we already tucked our car, so we're good, dude.
You guys are good enough.
What do you mean? I'll just take you home.
Nah, but if they come asking questions, they know who I am, bro. They have my name. If I deed myself before, if you ID yourself, they're cool about it. If you start like lying and shit, that's when they get mad.
I'd fuck that BMW. All right. Okay. This guy.
Oh, no, SUPRA.
You don't know who that was, do you? That was Ray. That was Ray's Corrupted Mind. Travis Scott's photographer. You have no idea who that was. Dude, no shot. Ace. Ray is here. Bro, Ray is here. Dude, no shot. Tom, you gotta get a video of him. Bro, you gotta get a video in time. I'm doing this. I got him on the stream. Bro, no shot, dude. Bro, that was Ray. No way. Wait, I'm actually... Dude! Look up Ray's Corrupt... No way Ray came to your shit, dude. Ah, no. Oh.
Let's just start up.
Oh, if that's Ray, I don't know if you can say anything. Low key.
Let's just start up, bro.
Bro, no shot, dude. Wait. Where is he? I knew it was his car when I saw it. You think he's bringing Ron?
I don't know all those people, bro. I don't know photographers like that.
It is him, bro.
I told you. What do you mean? I wasn't missing out.
You can't find a spot, that's what.
Yeah, it is him.
How many
Bro,
followers?
I'll kick someone out right now.
What the fuck
Bro.
is this standoff bullshit?
What is this? Are they gonna play chicken? Bros glazing. All
I don't know what
right,
happened, but it's a little.
bro. No shot. This is nuts, twin. No, you good? Wipe your chin. Oh, fuck you. Dude, no way. That's crazy. No, dude, if I'm able to tap in and meet, what's his face right now? No, it's game over. Some of those cars can be kicked out, some are at. Well, I mean, it's like literally open invite. It's whoever they want. Or whoever wants to come can come. It's the, that's not him.
It's the fucking blacked out one.
No, but it
The
looks,
fucking
it's
roll
it's with
cage.
green or whatever with the white,
Oh, it was green, yeah.
with the white roll cage. Bro,
I got money, bro. I could put a rope cage in that bitch.
bro. Burn their cars to the ground? Alright. I have no clue.
Damn.
Was he the front car or like the back car?
I don't know.
Who comes out on the Vinci watch, bro? What the fuck?
Bro. Cause he just bought, I thought he was gonna bring he just bought Ron's M4 and then upgraded the dog shit out of it.
That might be the beef one that has
No, that's supposed to be fun. I know him personally, though. I always ask him to come out, but he went to Dubai for Christmas.
IRL blindness activate. What's happening? Honestly, nothing's happening right now. We're literally just walking around because basically, so this is the meat spot, but Pete. The cops are over there watching. So we're literally just waiting to see. We're literally just waiting to see if this shit gets rolled right now. Like, if this shit gets cooked, then next meetup spot. Like, we already parked our cars in a different area. So yeah. No, this is him. Wait, no, wait, hold up. Let me find out right now.
Oh, he's right here. Finding Nick is here. So he's a photographer for who?
Travis Scott.
That's crazy. Should go say hi.
Bro. They're just gonna pop the, yeah. No, that's what they said. That's what the tow truck guy said. The tow truck guy? Huh?
What's his name? So I can
Ray. R-A-Y.
He does photography for
Travis Scott. Ray's, look it up. RaysCorruptedMind's. That's what it's called. No, they really finna hit us with some dumb shit. Watch. But yeah. So that's what's going on right now. Bro, the paper in my fucking pocket is definitely getting crushed the dog shit up right now.
That park close right here.
Nah,
Should I call him by name or is Instagram?
dude, just say Ray. Just say Ray. That ass. What's going on, brother? Hey, I'm a big fan of your work. I just want to say. Have a good one, bro. Love.
Fanboy right now. Let's go.
Oh, I didn't know what to say, bro. I didn't know what to say.
Did I accidentally hit his flip on the level hill?
That's crazy.
They put in the sushi roll, brother.
Hey, that was W though for like what you said though.
Yeah.
Like the way you said it, very nice.
Because I know how to talk.
He knows how to talk.
No, I know, but it's just like some of my homies would be like, big face fan, my guy, and I was like, bro.
Hey, remember, bro. No glazing.
Okay, yeah.
No glazing.
But
I
that was
forgot
just-
you're on like face. I thought
I
you were
know.
like facing the other one.
No.
Just pass him the fucking.
What the fuck am I doing?
What the fuck, Thomas?
I didn't, bro. That was all you. Oh wait, no. I got you. I'll pick it up.
Yo.
Bro, how did this shit got? Let's look on it. You seen these, bro?
Oh
I
my.
quit vaping like fucking 8 years ago, and this shit got like the stars in it and like video games. Or
It's a
something.
Rolls Royce vape.
Something like that.
A Cullinan vape?
The Cullinan vape is crazy.
Nah, that's crazy, bro. Oh my gosh, should I just end stream? I'm done for the day. No, I'm just kidding. I'm just kidding.
Imagine he brings other people in. What if he brings artists he knows?
Bro, don't even start with me, bro. I will genuinely tweak out. Bro, I didn't. That was. Bro,
Don't crash out, bro.
Nah, I ain't going front, bro. I've never had a moment where I've been like, I don't know. That was weird. I've never been like, I don't know. Am I tweaking? I'm tweaking. I'm glazing. I know. But yeah.
Let's take that one.
Nah, bro, no. This fool wants to take the fucking alley to go all the way around.
Homie's tweaking.
Because the cops see me walk this way, they don't know where I'm at.
So you want to then? Yeah, exactly.
I mean, hey, they're leaving over there. I want to say hi to Chris, but I know he's going to be too loud. Hey, look at my phone. Tommy, the big chica. That's not me, bro. Tommy's just fatter than me. Remember the last time we see you? What's that? I'm not him.
I don't even think you should say that. That's too much publicity for you.
Everything's too much publicity, bro.
Tell him after, bro.
Bro, this is crazy. Just wait till all the photos and shit I get tagged in that video.
Ain't nobody know how to brush your shoes.
Take his story. Do you think he's supposed to anything about me?
Bro, I'm gonna put that's getting clipped. Are you serious?
I just seen it. There's nothing on it.
Bro's acting like. Make sure that Mustang doesn't hit any crowds. Oh my God, was that? Yo, that fool had a whole shaboing boing. What the? Straight OZ pack?
He don't have Bin Laden pipe.
Yo.
Oh no, that's the coolest car you use, bro. Bro, he gets mad when people are parking for the right. Bro, look at this shit. He can't do his job today.
I thought he comes at like 12. I don't know he's gonna come by.
Oh yeah, I keep forgetting it's like the end of the fucking night.
How's the connection, chat? Is like everything good? Can y'all see me? Can y'all like read chat right here? Did you see chat when you looked it up or no? Make sure that Mustang doesn't hit any crowds.
Hey, no way.
That's Mustangs. That's my dream car. This is my dream car.
This is the one you want?
Yeah, this is the one where I found a very basic one for $13,000. Yeah, what's up?
Yo, that shit's sick, bro.
Oh, yeah, appreciate you
I
coming
know
out.
people fucking have balls and be like, yo, keep it down and shit.
No, bro, because I've been doing this for like 3 years now, and I'm like the only like person who does it in the West LA area every week.
Yeah.
And like we've never had problems with the cops. They know who I am. They've ID'd me before. As long as you're cool and you follow their rules and you're chill, like they let you stay.
Nice. Yeah, I actually run a culture society, so I run semi-midnight, so I do like car meets and shit. I get DJs out. I'm mostly fucking around with like downtown LA.
Okay, yeah, I'm really close to the downtown and by the edge of like K-Town and South Central.
Oh, hell yeah.
Like USC and all that. But yeah, I do stuff like that too. Every couple months, I try to put on a full-on event where there's registration, we have trophies, DJ, stuff like that. My next one's gonna be in January in El Segundo. We're working with the church.
Yeah.
And we're gonna close it down, do it all like that. 45 a car, 100 a vendor.
What is it, R34 right here?
This is an R34 if that's what you're talking about. No, that's what I was saying. He said, which one's the R33? I was like, what?
R33 is very round. R34 is straight edge.
Yeah,
Posted by someone else, though.
yeah, that's the problem. 3,000 people reposted the video, so that's why they're on. That's why they're on us. Usually the cops don't ever come out unless someone films it.
Yeah.
Ow. Did I just break? Oh. Kind of. Hold on. Put your here. What are we looking at percentage? All right, segment of the day. You can steal one of these cars. Which one are you stealing?
R34.
You can steal which one?
I'm stealing a car. It's an R34 Skyline. There's a black one over there.
You're stealing that one?
Does chat have any questions about car shows? Y'all guys even know what a car is?
He thought that was an R33, but I told him.
No, it's a 34.
Okay, yeah, that's what we thought.
R34 is, and it's not even. What are you talking about? I couldn't tell by the angle, bro. Bring him over here.
All right.
Hey, keep it chill. What are you telling it to me? Does that look like a 33 or a 34? Looks like a 34 to me. Or wait, am I retarded? It's a 34, right? 32. Got some drifty boys.
He said, nah, it looks like a 33 from the back, TBH.
I don't know. I'm a little fucking slow, but.
Okay, so at this
What
point.
about you? You're a mechanic.
I'm a mechanic.
Mechanic.
Oh my gosh, you really got it like that.
Mechanic.
Well, what is your opinion?
What-
What generation? Huh?
34?
33. 33s have nice ass. They were based off of Chinese women.
This fool.
They were.
Nah, bro, wait, hold up, what? Just look at that, chat. Fuck that car. What about this one? Bro, did y'all see the video on Twitter where the fool did this to his car and he got like a ticket for it?
That's what your ass got to do. That's the first thing I should do. You got to do.
He apparently got to get new wheels.
Put up the Tesla, bro.
In the back of the test seat?
No. How we running?
Oh, ambulance.
What? Nah, fuck. Oh. Man down!
Boy, told her shit for me.
The homegirl, because we were at the
presentation. What's up, bro?
day. All right, so. Oh, you want a chicken sandwich?
No. What Charles do?
I'll let them know first person to come up to you. What should the code be? First person to come up to you and do what or say what? So gets a free chicken sandwich.
Whoever wants to come and grab a chicken sandwich, just say, I didn't take Crispy's chicken sandwich for days, but it's up for grabs. Oh, hang on. Oh, we should have used the L code.
He has a little black book, like, she likes chicken sandwich.
Don't hate because you don't pay attention. Hey! I might give it. You want a chicken sandwich?
No, I already.
No one wants a chicken sandwich. Who wants a chicken sandwich?
It's a whole ass meal. Nobody wants it.
It's Dave's, bro.
On the house. Here. Grab a glove.
Wait, where'd you find that?
I did not find it.
Shout out Dave's Hot Chicken. Tell them
It's from Dave's. They gave it to me. I got a whole order.
Where?
They gave it to me.
Yeah, you didn't just find this?
I'm not giving you the bag because one of them's for me.
Ah.
That's the
If there's two, if there's only one, oh, there's two. Grab this one or that one, whichever.
Yeah, so for everyone.
One, two.
Headlights, bro. Headlights.
Bro, we would have been.
I'm going to lick it. Alright.
Bon appetit. That's mine.
Oh, the second glove.
Here, yeah, grab another glove, yeah. Yeah, there are two gloves is easier. He's right. Bust it up.
Oh.
Be sure to tag Westside Car Meet.
Oh, I didn't even see that.
Westside Car Meet. Be sure to tag. Do a story like that.
Say hello to the chat.
Yeah,
We're live right now.
Are you live on Westside Car Meet?
No, it's one of my friends.
It's a whole different, yeah.
You know how you feel in the morning. Hey, chorro.
No. That's straight from Dave. Alright. Alright.
How's everything been with it?
Good.
All the shows doing good?
Yeah. I'm used to it. Capshaw, go, pack, low, go, low,
This is the
low.
first time in like a year they've shown up. The original location, someone was posted the flyer like 3,000 times.
Yeah, but these guys actually it worked out better, right?
Yeah, no, we wouldn't have fit in there. We
No,
wouldn't
right?
have fit in there. We were all getting stuck. I've had it get stuck when I invited Supermax there, and we had to back everyone on backwards.
Alright, so on the churros, there's regular. I'm sorry, they've been waiting for me.
Alright, but hold up. I'm gonna go take a second real quick, Ace. Ooh, I wonder if mustard on the beat, any rap. Bro, I wonder if the cop's gonna be weird, because now that I realize it, I don't know if you can, you know, in public, in front of a cop. You feel me? Because I think that's like, you know, whatever, public and toxic, whatever.
Will they come out if you don't come out? Some of my people. It's not as much because I'm not on the flyer, but I can like. I'll put you on the flyer. If you want to, yeah. I have 12K following, so you know, it's a good cause. So hopefully someone comes out.
Yeah.
This is my boy, Daniel right here.
Yeah, because he's always down to do collabs all the time.
So we keep everything strictly parking show like this. People know not to mess around like this.
What's your IG?
West Side Market.
Where'd she go? She wanted churros. She said,
Yeah, what would you like? Sorry.
and then,
I don't know where she went.
yo, follow his team on the 7-1 page. He's gonna shoot the logo, so let's put on the flyer.
Yeah, I'll shoot it sometime tonight once I have it.
Yeah, we'll try to put it.
So 2 days from now, this something?
Yeah.
See, he's waiting.
This got lady coming out. This is cool, bro. You know,
You got a lot of people who matter.
That's you, right?
Yeah, that's me.
I'm gonna send you the flyer right now, so don't forget.
Gotcha.
And that way you can respond with your logo, and then
Collabs happening.
What name do I look on? Because I'm gonna have
What live is that? TikTok, chat, or
Oh, it's on Twitch.
Oh, on Twitch. Are you still live or not?
Yeah, I'm still live, but it's on my face right now.
Oh, okay.
Public intoxication is just...
Is ready right there.
Bro, that's what I'm saying. Like, he's off the fucking curb. Like, he's ready.
They're chilling because CDs, you know, they got the fucking tacos, CDs over there.
yeah. That fool's been sitting right there forever.
We're trying to do it to where every couple of months I do like a full-on event. So register, music.
So every week and meeting, every couple months a show.
That's what I'm trying to get to. I've only done 2.
Who wanted to churros after all?
She fucking disappeared.
In January.
Yeah.
We're going to church now to do that.
Okay, dope. Well, we're gonna be there.
I smoked in front of cops before it was legal.
You got PD patrolling. Nice, badass. That was nice.
Dude, I don't even know what I would say. What do you say?
I ain't gotta think about it. The second I see it, you guys, everybody's out.
What do you say?
I don't know.
And they're telling them to get the fuck off the way. We're getting too close.
Just say you want to. Alright, okay.
I can't tell you. What did you say?
Just what?
What did you say?
Dude, I couldn't tell what he said, but he's like, come on, you guys are gonna do that right now or something like that. And now he's meat munching over there with his boyfriend.
Nick ran him for real.
Oh God. Oh, dude, I'm so hungry. Should we just start filming a mukbang?
He was like, I don't want to kick you guys out, but like something else would rather be. Then they just moved on.
So like you guys are cutting it real close.
Of course, they're gonna wait for the extras. So that's when people with at that point, that's not a problem. If they want to be
LA cops are just not facts.
Wait, then I'll fall asleep on my car.
They're just bored all day, bro.
Time to go see. Let's go walk down.
Let's go.
Oh, reasons the car meet, not a cop meets, bro. Let's go watch
Yeah,
the
on
cars.
God. At this point, it's a glade.
Hey, you know there's a tank meet going on across the street at the same time?
A tank meet?
Yeah, bro.
Are you lying?
When we leave, check out the gas station across the street. They have like hella tanks parked there for no reason.
What the fuck?
The owner of the gas station has hella money. He just buys whatever he wants. So he has like 3 tanks posted up in front of him.
Sick flex. I tell them to go chill with some real crime. No facts. The gas station owner. He said the gas station owner is definitely laundering money.
Yeah. Wait, what am I writing when I hear? I heard gas and I heard gas.
Gas station owner.
I just supposed to keep behaving. Hey, how much is the Skyline Hello Kitty?
That one's $30. It's limited edition, 300 pieces.
I want that.
How's it going?
Are they all limited? Are they all numbered? All the Hello Kitty? Because I like Hello Kitty stuff, that's why.
Some of them are numbered.
Should I yell at a reminder? Like, while heading out?
He is the clip. I need to come to LA and pull up to a car meet? Nah, y'all really should, bro. Like, why wouldn't you? Two guys chilling at a car meet 5 feet apart because they not gay.
All the way around.
What?
Some crazy shit, bro, honestly.
It's not a cigarette.
Oh.
Yeah.
The original? Yeah.
Cigarette this fat? Oh my gosh. But I think it's because he smells the blunt in it. I better switch on all my bligs, make it look crazy.
Like 1,000 plus centuries, fucking hella SUPRAs. It's insane.
Oh, my bad.
It's not your fault, bro. I don't
My bad. Who the fuck?
I see some of y'all are heading in your cars already and warming up. Just to let everyone know, play it safe when leaving. All right, the same way we've been behaving this whole time. Exit like a smart person. Don't be stupid. Obviously, they're across the street. Let's show them that we're responsible so we can continue doing this. All right. Thanks to everyone who came out.
What time is it? All right, gang, I think that's it. Honestly, I think that's the end. Oh. Oh, no.
I don't know. I mean, it's not over. It's just I see a lot of people starting out, but everyone knows that it's quiet on the way out.
Yo guys, be sure that when you leave chill. Remember there's homes around here. There's homes. People live in this neighborhood.
Yeah, nah.
They know who I am. How's Twitch doing?
Twitch is doing well. It's me and the homie Ace. We're just vibing right now. Oh, dude, I thought that fool was a cop. I feel like I'm there without being there. You're funny, cuz. No, but yeah. I don't know what everyone's doing right now, but I think we're slowly starting to DTFO, which is valid because I gotta go to the other one down in OC. But nah, no glaze. I can't believe I saw Ray, dude. Cause like that's what I mean. Like imagine I get to see Ron and then I get the clip. You feel me? Like I don't know, just out here hustling. Oh. Here, he's back. Oh, he's leaving though. Yeah, everyone's really starting to head out, low-key. I'm just parallel. No, that's valid. But, yeah. No, we're literally just chilling. W Ray though, yeah, no facts. Cause like, bro, then I hit him with, yo, Ray, you gotta join YSV. Boom, then he's in. You feel me? Then we got Ray. Then we signed Travis Scott to YSV. Then we signed everyone to YSV, all of Cactus Jack. Then we win W Streamers. What'd you think of the overall turnout though?
Insane, bro. This is what you want. This is like the fucking like as much cards as you could possibly fit in this fucking. Oh shit! How you doing?
I brought on them out.
You run all these ones?
Yeah. Good, bro.
W segment, W speech. Had him for like 2 seconds. What'd you think of the overall turnout?
Dude, this is the biggest it's been for a fucking while.
Dude, honestly, it's crazy. I feel like realistically, the lot size changes everything, and too, the time of day.
Oh yeah.
Like, it's crazy, bro. The night ones, everyone and their mother comes out. Oh, here, I'm just gonna. No. It's all, no, it's all good. Don't trip. Trust me.
Sorry, it's just fucking.
No, that's my fault. Oh my gosh. Turn them on. Ah! Alright, twin. Fuse? Is that what he said?
Fuse, yeah.
See it!
Hey, keep it chill. If we're leaving already, make sure you exit responsibly. There is still about 5 cops posted on the other side of the street.
Nah, let's get arrested. I should just yell, ref it. So how was the day, Ace? Should we talk? She said she wants to be her. Do your thing, twin. Oh, they all gotta go. Yo, is that the Tesla Cybertruck? My bad. Sorry. My bad.
Where's your car at? I don't have a car anymore. Well, my friend's car's like hidden around the corner. Got nervous because right after the cops there was like 4 or 5 tow trucks. But they were just here to eat, I think.
It's time to boss out.
I'll just start heading that way.
All right, gang. I think I'm gonna kill stream. Been a cool 45 minutes, cool little stream. I'm gonna cut it up and post everything. VOD's gonna go live. I appreciate y'all. Love you, Ace. Big YSV shit. Big shit coming soon. I can't believe I'm doing this. So I got another one tomorrow. I got another stream tomorrow, and then another one tomorrow night. So